It's all good. Say obetimi aginem no serve the good people of Ablekuma North. Na etimi aba and isi aba kasa isi kasa na isi kasa isi di asembia tudwa ma menkle no fransa na bedidi nkome wo ho nyina e de afri ho isi a press conference ne na isi press conference in between Rabna Urban ene Akua Afriyie no o se Akua Afriyie a oye NPP candidate ne lead Rabna Urban with 48 votes ahead the Ablekuma North rerun elections. It's aka 6,899 voters are across the 19 polling stations. Don't forget the police stations are Ablekuma 281. And we've gone over this and gone over. I can't once more because I just said Friday we no motor so about Ablekuma. Come on there. You be the power and ask them ketwa. Now, over said yet na Ablekuma come on. Isi beka kire say oma quality 281 na enyina but ya aka e so mu quality wie na etimi ya adwuma no just 3 polling station na eno nkomobo ne hu nsem be ye bebre wo Ghana na obia ka ho asem a enya asem keto akra na eno ena ene isi ne koda dwene hu asa ba na o se da bi wakohwe ne mama hu se aka 19 polling station eti so 281 na ote 19 free more. Na say aka polling station aka 281 81 minus 19. Eti oma collate 262 polling stations are eno no ese ene de omugitum se ene de oma collate awia efin bi ani ho. Ba 19 na aka no ena amane ho na out of the 262 no yenua ba Akua Afriyie lead Rabna Urban or NDC parliamentary candidate 48 votes. Eti wochena nipa isi ese omo hwe animu e wa Ablekuma so mbeba beto aba ni nyina no nipa 6,839 and also mokoto aba in the 19 polling station no eno ne betimi decide either say Akua Afriyie is the member of the parliament for Ablekuma North and now say Rabna Urban etimi di 6,839 no enya aka ne de ho ama omatimi ababa bitu wo na ehon komobo bebre aba ama ene Brian Champion ewuram ewo ho no ma wakwa support the NPP candidate or no after all the bruhaha the neck omo meetings omo koyeye anyway ni nyina no still na Kennedy akompre ko Japan akasa Brian Champion akasa and everybody is saying say now they should go on grounds. It is Brian Champion etimi ewuram ewo ho no ma akọ support Rabna Urban with sika or they are supporting nko ano was okay sika or they are supporting wo ho no nko ano 200,000 Ghana cedis, which is all the dollars nima 6,500 and or they are supported the party coordinators at the police station chairman omo Ablekuma North omo fan supported rerun na no okwa anwumre a campaign a sha ase a amanfo campaign e wo ho no ma omo didi nkomo and Ablekuma for na kasa Ablekuma North for na kasa omo so mo here peaceful election and they need an MP ono so be ginem na wako gina omo na mu omra she be dwam na bibia so etimi akoso and you see the EC has come clearly ono say 19 e dey obe collate na bibia so etimi akoso na Dr. Mahmoud Baomia and so etimi ewuram ewo ho no ma ono so ama ye maame Akua Afriyie 410,000 Ghana cedis se ono so enfan support ne campaign candidate Japan so etimi ama ne bi wo ho no ma ene no me no ka se e chena ne de isi a kire securities are ready bibia so are ready wo ho no ma they are ready to serve the people of Ablekuma the omo pese omo ne omo nyina ne abato no bekoso boko wo ho no na bibia so etimi akoso yeti ohema ose several NPP MPs back Akua Afriyie open defense of party's decision to boycott Ablekuma North rerun set to hit grounds for campaign for her. Enti MPs ni bebre so etimi abo ewura mu ho no ma wo mo ehwe so mbeka akọ campaign ediama yenua ba Erabra urban ewo honoma enya senketo antino yebesere ochena no said the east na kano eko high court abuato agu upon all the NPP is doing na amafo kaza say NPP no esuru enti na omompese omobeye ombegura mu honom say omokọ akwa to aban but this time decision na nya ba parliamentary candidate na decide say obekọ enti parliamentary candidate na nya decide say obekọ ne de na say moye ho hwe nyi kwana obekọ na bibia so etia because the only thing that the party has to do is to support the candidate na bibia so etimi akosuye honoma ene no ochena nyame pa wiebe na anopa no acha no nso ekona sa abato na hyase no num no na isi ekirema omatimi de bibia aba wiye honoma yebesere se omehwe na ahwe bibia ma asumdue etimi aba honom na bibia so etimi akosuye pa ewo honom na bibia so etimi akoso fine and this is what we want. We just want a peaceful elections. 48 Akua Afriyie I want to say if or 48 votes ahead of Erabra Urbana, the people of Ablekuma and so can also support na omatimi atu abano kama edi amano na bibia so etimi akoso and wakasa bebre say or believe and what support her air koni amanfo mo kasa bebre na air kasa omo kire say they are all the NPP announcing say they are all in support with her. Said they were concordant ma on paba ungrem na onkona Michael Ochikofi be fiasa kasa fasade we ya ho. Ochikofi be fiasa kasa e de afa ho na Ochikofi be fi say Jemensa call for the Ablekuma North rerun out of fear after Esiedun Ketia criticized her as unfit for purpose. Michael Ochikofi be fi na kasa yes. Na medical kawaze isi no wabon onimadwuma Esiedun Ketia kan we no kre and don't forget the justice report Kodia has justified what Esiedun Ketia said enra say the EC now abeja to say the EC is not fit for purpose because on a double standard or timin take principles for her own self enra me kan say we nyina wa ha it the EC aye will be EC will be a timin take decision for herself and answer for themselves in now when the NPP was in power he was doing the same thing for you Michael Ochikofi Befi. The EC was doing things in favor of you. It is a honor na NDC for catching say the EC is not on principles on timin take decision by themselves. EC na kasano as a stroni who be show to be bomu enya no moko. It is the NDC told you say the EC is not capable. They are unfit. And now you do everything possible to defend the EC. Say the EC na juma oyeno perfect. And you remember on IPAC meetings, there were a lot of things that happened at IPAC meetings. Na enyas and ketwa. And you people were there defending the EC. Entiene? Se mo ama sa kwa aba be catch say EC no enya fit for purpose. Now we demonstrate here. And na Patrick Yabo amakan no. Let's all rally behind the EC, the NDC. Take away the EC, bring somebody we know say omuni majuma and they are ready to do it because easy way we're disappointing Ghana. Say ye di easy way here and tokwa besi Ghana. Even at Ablekuma, say I just see ye di easy way here and tokwa besi Ghana because to me per niema makan wo fie hanum say any nsema I ready wo fie hanum say ni nyina say the EC is not competent. Unti me kan on the 17th of July say what call it aka 3 polling stations. I assure you say aka 3 polling stations are be na ye ko wie ya what say twan one say be ka kire say unhia securities no what me akoleti e kire say tax about onim tax ne yenkwachi omu na aban sisa na aban ba ya say be ka kire say o ka kire say o ko tena parliament ka kire parliament say all the pin sheet amunya ye nyina no e authentic efin bia ni ho na o say ba ya say ba be ka kire yan Ghana for say now the pin sheet now in your 19 polling station the pin sheet was being copied, was being scanned. How? And the Madika is on your feet by Yamon Payama Ablekuma. Say Ochena Yame Adoma about one Bequasum Jim, the 19 polling station. Not yet the 262 polling station. No, now for Nipa 6,389 no more to Abano. Na yetimi ehunu omu nyina do moto na afi yetimi nya wina na sa abru ha and say no e free on after that no Ghana should advise themselves about this EC.